In today's video, we will be reducing a fraction. It's sometimes called simplifying a fraction, so you might see it either way. The fraction we will be reducing is 10/12. The first thing you do when reducing a fraction is to think about the GCF, the greatest common factor between the numerator and the denominator. So what we will do, we will list the factors of 10, our numerator. Factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, and 10. Then we will list the factors of our denominator, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Factors are the numbers that when multiplied will give you a product or the answer. And in this case, 10 times 1 will give us a product of 10. 2 times 5 will give us a product of 10. So we will now circle the common factors. They have the number 1 in common and the number 2. But we need to find the greatest common factor. And in this case, the greatest common factor between 10 and 12 is 2. Now, we will divide our numerator and denominator by that GCF of 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So our fraction 10/12 in simplest form is 5/6. And how do we know is reduced to simplest form? We know a fraction is in its lowest form when the only factor that the numerator and the denominator have in common is the number 1. So we will list the factors of 5 and 6 to see what factors they have in common. Factors of 5, 1, and 5. Factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, and 6. And as you can see, the only factor that they have in common is the number 1. So we know that our fraction is reduced to its lowest form. And there you have it. That's how you reduce a fraction. Now, it's your turn.